Okay. Today, hello guys. Today we're gonna fly finally away out from Mexico, from the very good country we are living here. And I have a new friend. She's Stefania. Say hello.
Hello, everyone.
This is Puerto Vallarta. Mostrar. Puerto Vallarta, ciudad, on the costa del Pacífico. Volaris, muy mal compañía, muy mal, mierda, totalmente mierda. I had problems with that Volaris before, in Colombia.
Guarda tu equipaje de mano y artículos personales en los compartimentos superiores o debajo
And
del asiento.
can you show this one? We have a super fly with a super TV, with Wi-Fi, with everything. With a super girlfriends. Hello everyone. We are flying to the country of my dreams. Most interesting to continue.
Items should be stowed in the overhead compartment. Be sure aisle and emergency exit rows
Okay.
are clear in the object.
My dearest friends, don't forget to subscribe this channel because my adventures just going to be started. Thank you. Okay, you can stop.